Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download Credit Karma app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the Play Store app. Once you tap on Play Store, you need to go in the search bar and type in Credit Karma. Once you do so, you can find that you are not in the Credit Karma app available in your region. So simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.karma.en.up2down.com. Once you do this, you will up in this interface where you need to tap on Get the latest version. After you are done, you need to tap on the download option as well. After this is done, you will end up getting the option of download anyway. So simply tap on download anyway, and once the download process is completed, you will get the notification of the completion as well. So once the file has been downloaded, hit the open option and then hit the install button. Once you tap on the install button, you will be getting your Credit Karma app installed in your device. So once it is installed, you can simply tap it open from your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.